You're sitting on your couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, a wave of dread washes over you. You open your banking app and see a long list of transactions you don't recognize. How did this happen, you ask yourself? We've all been there. Managing personal finances can be a daunting task, especially in today's fast-paced world. Fortunately, there are tools out there designed to help simplify the process. One such tool is PocketGuard. But does it work in Canada? In this video, we'll delve into PocketGuard, exploring its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks, specifically for Canadian users. Let's dive in. What is PocketGuard? PocketGuard is a personal finance app that helps you track your income, expenses, and savings. It's designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface that makes it easy to understand your financial situation at a glance. Key features of PocketGuard. Expense tracking. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to see where your money is going. Budgeting. You can set budgets for different categories, such as food, housing, and transportation. Savings goals. PocketGuard helps you set and track savings goals, whether it's for a vacation, a down payment, or an emergency fund. Debt management. The app can help you visualize your debt and create a plan to pay it off. Benefits of using PocketGuard in Canada. Accessibility. PocketGuard is available on both iOS and Android devices, making it easily accessible to Canadians. Canadian banks and financial institutions. The app supports a wide range of Canadian banks and financial institutions, ensuring that you can connect your accounts seamlessly. Real-time updates. PocketGuard syncs with your bank accounts in real time, providing you with the most up-to-date information about your finances. Tax season support. PocketGuard can help you prepare for tax season by providing you with a breakdown of your income and expenses. Potential drawbacks. Limited customization. While PocketGuard offers a basic level of customization, it may not be as flexible as some users prefer. Subscription fees. Some advanced features may require a subscription fee. Data privacy concerns. As with any app that handles financial data, there are concerns about data privacy. It's important to review PocketGuard's privacy policy to ensure your information is protected. Is PocketGuard worth it for Canadians? Ultimately, whether PocketGuard is worth it for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use app to help you track your finances and stay on top of your budget, PocketGuard is definitely worth considering. Remember, PocketGuard is a valuable tool for Canadians looking to improve their financial management. With its user-friendly interface, support for Canadian banks, and helpful features, it can make budgeting and saving easier than ever. However, it's important to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks and consider your specific financial goals before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.